I'm with Ozzy Osbourne.
Ozzy Osbourne. Yes, we met him at our first celebrity in Rio.
So here we are, we're on the beach at Ipanema?
Yes.
Ipanema. We didn't go in to see the other day. It's quite noisy here with the waves, but I was going to go in today. This is our last few hours in Rio and we won't be back for probably a couple of years. But they have had to turn the water off in the city. It's not back on until 7 o'clock this evening and I don't want to get covered in salty water and not be able to shower off. So I'm going to dip my feet and that's it. So I've got wet on the beach in Rio, but I'd love to go in, I really would. But
No, you wouldn't.
I'm not guaranteed a shower. Because we're getting on a bus this evening for 7 hours. And I don't want to be all salty for 7 hours, that wouldn't be very nice at all. So that's that. So I'm going to dip my feet.
Go then.
I'll go back.
Obrigada. Was he cold?
It's not too bad, actually. Yeah, if there was a shower I would go in, but there's not, so that's my excuse, so I'm sticking to it.